Hey, what's up, TikTok? So I want to talk about the situation with the embroidery software, right? So right now, still communicating with Embrilliance to see if we could solve this issue. This is the first one I did with the Meridian, and it act up here, and this is not lining up together. And the second time I did it, it was even worse. Because this time, I moved this. You could move the direction of the fill stitch. So I decided, hoping maybe if I move the direction of it, it would be less noticeable, but it's still showing. And this time, this thing even lined up with it. It got worse, So I'm still communicating with them. So I find that the bigger I go, the more noticeable it will be seen. And I was talking to my dealer, and he told me the larger your embroidery designs be, the more mistakes you could see in them. Okay, that's what he told me. This one I did this is a software called So Art, or is it So What Art, or So Art, something like that. And it came out really beautiful, but I didn't spend a lot of time on it to perfect it. And if I did, it would have came out the way I wanted, but I needed to spend more time. And that's another thing with these embroidery software. I find that you have to spend more time on them to get it to digitize and to get it to work the way you want it to work. And I don't have time. That Care Bear design that I did took me 3 days to do it. 3 days. Right now, I'm putting on the machine. I'm just hoping I could get it on quickly before the video. And I'm just going to use my Meridian machine because it's stitched out way quicker. This design took like 40 minutes. It was a lot of stitches. This took a long time. I can't remember. This is like 55,000 stitches. But on the Meridian, it's stitched out way quicker, a lot faster, That on the Meridian, it's told me I could stitch it out in 27 minutes. So I did a design in it. Let me see if I can find it real quick before the video. And I digitized this in the Meridian. And so I'm just going to go over this real quick. This right here, I created this in the software is called Embroidery PE Design Plus 2. So this is how it came out. It still has some issues. You can see there's a gap there, and I used the auto punch stitch to use this design to create it. This was done on my Meridian embroidery machine, and the same thing happened here on the six needle embroidery machine. Now this Nike logo, I created this in Embrilliance. And you can see it's a very simple design. It just got 2 designs, the fill stitch and the satin stitch border. And that's it. And it's a simple design, so I don't have a lot of issues. If I would have done something like this in the Embrilliance program, Stitch Artist, I would have some issues. I would have the same issues. Okay, come over here. Right here, I did this in, what's the program called? So Art. No issues, no gaps, no space. It convert a photo into an embroidery stitch. All you have to do is reduce the colors. My thread got caught. It has nothing to do with the software. It's just that I just put a new thread, so it created this line over here. So I know I talked some smack about Embrilliance. I was upset because I spent a lot of money on Embrilliance, and I'm not able to get it how I want it, and I'm stuck. So there's some things I may do in Brilliance, like this simple logo, Nike logo, like simple designs. But I'm not going to be able to do stuff like this in Brilliance. I would have to invest in expensive software now. So that's what I want to say. In Brilliance, you could use it if you want to do like simple designs. But if you do a lot of detail, like this is very hard design to do. If you do something this detail, you're going to have to invest in expensive software. The one I use is SoArt. It's not expensive. It's about $75 or $80. I don't know how much it is now, but when I bought it, it was $75. So that's what I want to share with y'all, okay? I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.